Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to rotate text in Photoshop. So let's started. At first open your Photoshop document. Now you can see rotate text in Photoshop. Now I'm going to the toolbar option. Now select. Now select from text tool option. Now click. Now click from text. Now type your text. Now keyboard press for enter. Then keyboard press from again Ctrl T. Now resize the text. Now you can see. Then again click enter. Then again keyboard press Ctrl T and mouse going to the text side and the rotate. That it's. Now you can see rotate text in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video.